Did you wake up today and find yourself with an unpleasant surprise from Microsoft? You probably did, because I did. 88 degrees, mostly cloudy on my taskbar. I don't remember ever putting that there. And after a quick Google search, I found out that a lot of people don't remember putting that there. It turns out that they've taken the liberty to install practically adware on your desktop, ruining your perfect zen that you've got going on. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of it, and it's easy as right clicking and unchecking it somewhere here. I mean, you can see news and interest. Looks like you can just turn it off. But if you don't have that option, which some of you probably don't, you're going to have to do it the good old-fashioned local group policy way. Oh, there you go. So you got to go into your local group policy editor, and you got to go into computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, and go down to wherever it is. Hold on, news and interests. All right, so this is a horrible part. Got to click on policy setting. And if it is not configured, which no one went through all this trouble to configure it, it is by default enabled. So I don't even know why there's an enabled button. But if you want to turn it off, you got to hit disabled. Of course, apply. Close that. And you just restart your computer. I'm not going to do that because it'll corrupt my save.